Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the engine air filter from this Mercedes W177 A200. So the filter is located right under the computer of the car, and these are the tools you're gonna need: a T25, a T30, an extension, and maybe a small plier like this. In general, this filter should be replaced in the same time you do an oil change, or if you drive a lot on dusty roads, at least it's worth to take it out and clean it. With a T30 we gotta take out these 4 screws which holds the computer on. Here are the screws. Now we can place the computer aside. We just need to hold it like this. I'm gonna basically use this rubber cord to keep the computer out like that. Now we've got here a small plastic clip. Now down here you're gonna find 4 screws. You're gonna need a T25, one here. So basically on each corner. The screws will not come out entirely. Okay, make sure the cover can come out. Then you're gonna need a 7mm to release this hose clamp. And here we have the filter. Here is the part number of the new filter if you need it. Now inside there you can see there is a lot of sand and dust. Okay, so let's install the new filter. It has its own shape, so it will match here. You need to lift the cover and the filter will fall in position there. And let's place the cover on. And let's just tighten the screws. Make sure that they go easy and make sure you match the holes. Try at least 2 screws from opposite directions, just like that. Now let's place the computer. Let's reconnect this clip here. As a bonus, if you want to remove this pipe, which also has some sort of filter on top here, you release these 2 tabs here, and then this hose will come out. Obviously you can give it a nice clean with some sort of hose, then let it dry for a while if you have time. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Check out the playlist with more videos about this car, and as always, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.